Your values are your budget's driving force. While your priorities can change pretty quick, your values are much more resilient. Sometimes we don't even notice our values are guiding us. We just get this feeling that something is the right thing to do, simply non-negotiable. Trust this feeling. It's what makes you who you are, and it's okay to change your budget to align with your values. Imagine your family is more important to you than anything else. Okay, you probably don't have to imagine that. That's true for most of us. But at the same time, you absolutely love grilling. You've been saving up for 6 months for this brand new fancy pants grill. Then you get a call from your sister, and hey, she's engaged, and the wedding's next month. Not a whole lot of notice, but this is the same sister who quit her job and moved to East Asia on a whim, so you're not that surprised. You look at your budget and see a whole lot of nothing in the travel category. So, do you miss your sister's wedding? No, obviously the grill can wait a bit. I mean, your sister's getting married. Yay! Sometimes your budget needs to change to align with your values, and that's okay.